How to unlock your ZTE MF296R 4G LTE router. This works for the entire MF296 series, including the MF296A, MF296C, and MF296R variants. Let's get started. It only takes a few minutes. For this unlock, you'll need 4 things: a SIM card from a different network, your ZTE MF296R router, a computer or phone, and an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi to access the admin page. Connect your computer or phone to your ZTE router using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Open any browser and go to 192.168.0.1. Log in using the password printed on the device label, and you'll see your router's homepage. You'll find your router's IMEI number printed on the device label, on the back or under the battery cover. Keep it ready. You'll need it for the next step. On a different device or browser tab, open techunlockhub.com. Click on the ZTE code tab. This is the right code for your ZTE MF296R. Enter your IMEI and email address, choose your payment method, and complete the purchase. Your unlock code will be delivered to your email within the time specified on the website. Power off your router and insert a SIM card from a different network, one that's not currently locked to your device. Power on your router, log back into the admin page. Navigate to System Information. You'll see the network is locked. Paste your unlock code into the box and click OK to apply. Your router will reboot and connect to the new network. As you can see, my ZTE MF296R is now showing Lebara as the active carrier, completely unlocked and ready to use. If you need help during this process, message us on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Messenger. Links are in the description. Subscribe to Tech Unlock Hub for more router unlock guides. Thanks for watching.